Welcome to a quick exploration of hyperlinks, a fundamental component of the Internet and digital documents. In just 60 seconds, let's understand what hyperlinks are and their role in digital navigation. Hyperlinks, commonly known as links, are references in digital content that users can follow by clicking or tapping. They are typically highlighted in text, often underlined and in a different color, indicating interactivity. Hyperlinks serve as a navigational tool, connecting various pieces of online content. They allow users to jump from one web page to another or to a different section within the same page. In addition to web pages, hyperlinks are used in documents, emails, and other digital formats to link to websites, files, email addresses, or any other online destination. The use of hyperlinks has transformed the way we access information, making the Internet a vast network of interconnected content. They are essential for the user-friendly navigation of online information and resources. Creating a hyperlink involves specifying the link's destination using a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, which is the address of the web page or resource. Understanding hyperlinks is crucial for anyone using the Internet or creating digital content. They are a key element in the structure of the web, enabling the easy and efficient flow of information. Stay informed and connected. Recognizing the function and creation of hyperlinks is key to navigating and understanding the interconnected nature of online content and digital communication.